Yes, people, wagwan, good day. Welcome, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, Champion 7 TV. All right, I have some information for you guys out there, especially the ladies, all right, that are driving. Okay, when you go to the mechanic, don't tell the mechanic you press on your brakes and you hear squealing, so therefore think you need brakes. Don't tell the mechanic that's when you press on your brakes, the front of your vehicle vibrates, so you think you need tire. You know? Don't tell the mechanic when you're driving your vehicle pulling to the left or right, so you think you need an alignment. No, no, no. Just tell the mechanic what you're experiencing with your vehicle. If you press on your brakes, you press on your brakes and you hear squealing, let the mechanic do the rest. If you press on your brakes and you feel vibration, let the mechanic figure it out. There are too many dishonest mechanics out there, may I tell you. All right, I've experienced them and I've heard a lot of people complain. Yes, they are out there in this business. All right, so because you're the one go there and say think you need brakes, that's all they hear. You think you need alignment, that's what they hear. You know, some of them will change your parts even though it don't need to be changed. All right, yes, these things do happen. I'm not joking. Yep, not a dishonest people out there. God bless you when you find a honest one. All right, so just want to give you a little information because someone came to me and told me they think they need brakes because when they press on their brake, they hear squealing. So I had to correct them, let them know, the right way to, let the mechanic know what's going on with their vehicle. All right, yes, don't put no words in their mouth. That's all they want to hear. Okay, all right, take care. Have a great day. And remember, like, share, and subscribe. Champion 7 TV. That is it.